Okay, so how to create logo or stamp in Word. So click on Insert, Shapes, and let's select this basic shape. Okay, so here we got it. Now go to Format. You can reduce size, make it round, for example, by changing this. Okay, let's shape fill. Let's remove it. And we can change this second. Okay, so now go back to Insert and let's enter some text here. Okay, so for example, let's make some text effect like this one, make it round. Okay, so now we can enter text here. We can change font, size. We paste another one and we'll rotate it and put it like this. Okay, done. We can also add some elements. Let's go back to shapes and we'll select, for example, this star, and we'll put here like this. Yeah, change size a little bit and let's copy paste, make same size, one more star. Okay, so here what we have now. Let's make some, also include some text in middle, for example, organization name. Let's change size. Okay, and we can put that in the middle like this, for example. Okay guys, so this is just an example on how you can create a logo or stamp in simple manner in Word. So use this trick, and if you have any questions, please comment under this video. Have a nice day. Bye.